everybody. Today is a very special day, even though it's not really. But the thing is, I am unboxing something new, the Isla Sorna Expedition Pack. So right here we have, I don't know this guy's name, but I think this guy is the person who was killed by the confies, because there's confies up here. There's also a velociraptor. I hasn't opened anything yet because I was saving it for you guys. Let's turn this bad boy around. Yeah, Dire Stark, Velociraptor, and Velociraptor. So you could open the thing and lift it up. Let me see in real life because I always look into the camera. Okay, over here. Yeah. Attack using the confies. I think the confies can also go on the Velociraptor. Transport. Oh yeah, I think those things can close also. I don't know that, but anyways. I should probably open this, by the way. If I were you. Anyways, let me get my stuff ready. And okay, so then didn't even open it yet. But I did grab some stuff. So, by the way, if you didn't know where I am, so basically, the reason I bought this is because Charlie has been getting a bit lonely. And if you don't know who is Charlie, well, I'm pretty sure you do know, but I mean, if you don't know, like, why I'm saying Charlie, well, basically, in one of my older videos, like my second video, I made a unboxing video with my cousin, and one of the dinosaurs he got was Charlie, the Velociraptor toy, and he has been basically getting pretty lonely because he's the only actual these type of toys Velociraptor that I have, like the new toys. So for Charlie, I got this guy for him. I got this guy for him. And also some confies. 3 confies we're gonna name. I'll name them later. I also got a bag. Confies for the confies and the humans. So basically, if you don't want, I got an idea, but before making this video, when I was driving back home from Target, which is where I got this, where I had this idea to make bags. So then if I loot, mostly for the confies, but I also made one for the humans, and also for for their utilities. Because I don't even know what Darius or I think I do know where they are. I don't have to search around that much. But yeah, I'm gonna have to search around for Darius and Barry, so that's why I made these bags. So then if you're gonna make stop motion with these guys, you can probably use these bags, so then keep them. And also for just know where they are, because I don't even know where his Charlie is just somewhere. I forgot where I put him after the last video. Anyways, the last time I used him. Anyways, let's do this and let's start and let's open this. So, I have taken all of them out. I got the config NAS cuts right here. A stun stick, which I guess is how we got the Velociraptor in there. And also something that I noticed even before I bought this, but look how detailed this is. Anyways, alright, so anyways, I'm going to move the I'm going to So I'm going to move the I'm going to move the config Noscus into a secret compartment inside of the the truck. Yeah, I moved it, and yes, it is inside of the truck, and I'm not lying. If you want to know where it is, I will show you in 3, 2, 1. But tell me, but I'm gonna. Where do you think it is in? Okay, so if you have this, then I don't know if you. Then there is a chance of. Oh no, that sucks. Ah, great. When I was trying to open it, it ripped. Why can't they just put it somewhere else? Easier way. Anyways, if you didn't, anyways, this thing is able to lift. And inside, there's a little secret compartment where I hid the configs. The configs are right here. And yes, this is the part, and yeah, and I can close this easily. I can close this easily with them still inside. I don't know if this is like there's like a little elevation. Is like a part of it. But yeah, this is very cool. Anyways, this time I'm going to do something new, which is, what should they add? What should have happened? What should have they added? Now then, I don't know. I don't normally do this, but with this thing's particular, I haven't taken the copies out. So then, like, although like this is like so the first thing that would be good is like destructible parts. Like, I'm pretty sure that would actually make it a lot easier and cost less. Like, this part can be hit off and destroyed. This thing can like bent in. I don't know if this is newer or older than like the Dino Tracker one, but if you didn't know, Dino Tracker one, the can break. I mean, like the DT ones of this is insane, and I think that's what they swapped out for it. But like having like it being able to like break off like the doors of the car would be just like good, but I think that would like mess up the mechanism, and also like it'll be hard to like reattach the doors, you know. But also taking away that it's just taking off the window, just taking off like the window guard, and just like break and having like a bent-in window. I don't know if that was too hard. I mean, like, I don't know if that would be possible, but pulling this would be pretty good. And yeah, although this is like supposed to be like a model of the actual thing, like, yeah, I mean, like, and I don't think he had one, but like, it'd be very good to have like a tranquilizer. So then like, it actually makes sense if he'd be able. So then it'd make more sense that you'd be able to actually move this. Because I don't get how like a stun stick that doesn't even tranquilize it can make it like go into the back. Like, and like they are like right there. Like the human is like right there. There's nothing stopping the dinosaur from eating it. Same in like Jurassic World Chaos Theory, where they just like where that baryonyx just like walks in purposefully. Like, and also like that just makes no sense. And why am I talking about this in like a toy review? I don't know. But anyways, yeah. And also, very fun with like and also before this, I'm gonna try to make a little a small little anyways, first, I'm gonna scan this thing because I have the scanner app. Very useful. There it is. Also, by the way, scannable confies. I'm gonna be able to scan like a little confie, being like and also like rating about how easy or how hard it is to get it. Like that would be pretty good having like because of like how much it costs normally. Because like the confies are just normally in every single set. Some dinosaurs are only in one set, like this velociraptor. Others in like more than one set. And like more than them type, because like I remember there's like so many velociraptors. You could have an entire army of like every single type of velociraptor they had, or just raptor in general. I would like the humans and like having like in like can they add like in ones with like trucks that have like those like little humans that they have in like the show and like dino trackers, remember? And if you watch like their YouTube channel, then you'll see they have like a bunch of like stop motion animations of these, which is why I make this. I just like those and like I normally do them for fun. Anyways, this is very, very, very good. I'll probably tell Charlie about this. I got him a friend. I don't know if you like him because he's from Isla, sorna. Anyways, either way, I want to test this. A little myth that I thought of. Can confies get onto a velociraptor? By the way, yes, these velociraptors, these Utah raptors, basically. These Utah raptor-sized velociraptors do have like a man torso. Anyways, let me see this. Yo. Okay, so that one might probably actually work. See the neck. Yeah, not there. Alright, let me see the feet. It has to stick onto the feet, right? Yo. This work? Okay, so I don't know if this will work. But it kind of works. He's hanging on. She's hanging on. Okay, let's find the other feet. The other part of the feet. And finally, the tail. Okay, let's see this. Yeah, this actually is pretty good. Pretty good in general. By the way, detailed under. Let's see this. And this is a very, very good thing. Toy. A very good toy, you know. And this is a very, you should probably buy this if you if you want to have like a truck, a human, and like a bunch of dinosaurs. Yeah. There's about 4 dinosaurs and 2 species in this one $30 set. Like 30. It was 35 where I live. But like it's like this one $35 set. This is a very, very good toy. You should definitely get this. It's very good. Anyways, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. Please like and subscribe if you like this content that I make, and also if you want me to make and also it will help my growth in YouTube. And so please subscribe. Although this video is very long, I hope I can fit it all in. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.